Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to hide likes on Facebook, on your own posts and on other people's posts, okay? Very easy, very simple. Let's launch the Facebook app first. I want you to hit the lower right corner and click on your profile picture. Then I want you to hit the top right corner and hit the gear icon. When we're at the settings, this is where the magic happens. I want you to scroll down to the section that is called Preferences. And the option that I want you to select from here will be Reaction Preferences. When you click on Reaction Preferences, you can see over here that we have two options. Option number one will be to hide number of reactions on other people's posts. As you can see over here, if we tick this one, you won't see the total number of reactions for posts others share on the newsfeed, on their pages, in the groups. You will still see reactions in places like Marketplace or in Reels, right? If they publish the same picture, same video on Reels or in the groups or in the Marketplace, well, there you will see the number of likes and view count. Guess what? If you actually want to do the same thing for you, you have to click on the second option, which is this one. Well, what this will actually do, other people won't see the total number of reactions under post you share on your profile. Let's say you publish a picture, you went to see a movie, nobody will know how many people saw it, how many people like it, how many people react on it, right? You will be the only person who will be seeing all the reactions, comments, likes, and so on and so forth. The reactions count will still appear on your post in other places. Again, same way like with the other one, only if it's published on groups or in Reels or in Marketplace as well. So I want you to be aware of this. I want you to make sure that you make the difference. You hide the ones that you really like. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and come back for more.